analyze log files and find secret code. Here in this video we are going to learn about log file analysis, that how you can analyze a log file and how you can find the logs which contains sensitive information or secret codes. So again you need to open the command prompt, and then we need to open the logcat. We need to open the log files using the logcat command, and then we need to analyze that is there any sensitive information available inside the log files or not. So guys, here you can see that we are again inside the platform desk tools, and here you can see that which contains ADB, right? And this is our Android application, and we are working on lesson 1, Android logging secrets, right? So we need to check that is there any secret information available inside the logs or not. So first of all we need to clear the logs. So in the previous video I have provided you information that how you can clear the logs. So you can type here ADB space logcat space dash C, right? So it will clear all the logs available inside log files, and hit enter. So you can see here that all the log files have been cleared, right? You can type here ADB space logcat to check and hit enter. So you can see here that almost all the log files have been removed inside the backend. Okay, now let me show you that how you can find some secret information in the log files. So obviously this app will generate some secret information and it will be stored inside the log files. We need to check it. So click on lesson 1, and we have already seen the instructions. That our instruction is we need to find the code, and when it is ready then you need to enter the code in the provided box and click submit button. So we need to type the code here and click on submit button to get information about the secret information. Now you can see here that there are a lot of log files have been created inside the logs, right? So let me check if you can find any secret information inside. So yeah, so here you can see that this information, it is saying that this is garbage, the challenge value is this. It means it is showing us some value information, right? So I think we need to take a look inside this section. So now it is saying that this is not garbage, the challenge value is this. So now it is saying that this is not garbage, means this information is valuable, and we can use this information right here to check that this is the right answer or not, right? This is just a task to show that actually log files contains sensitive information. Alright, so that's why this is a kind of setup for you for Android pen testing. So it is saying this is not garbage, so we can use this one. So let me try this one. This is the latest. Yeah, so type this code. So let me type here VGA 4K F8 J4M. We have typed the code. Click here and you can submit here, and let's see if it provides any error message. So click submit, and here you can see that congrats, the challenge is completed. It means we have actually found the secret code inside the log files using the logcat command. So our task is completed and we have successfully completed this task. You can see here that first of all we have analyzed the log files, and inside that log files the app has created some secret information. We found it and we have typed the secret code inside the box. Click submit and we got the success message. So that's how pen testers actually analyze the Android backend or Android log files using logcat command, right? This is quite easy, and this was the lab setup that I have provided you. So that's how you can basically analyze log files, and you can learn more and more about Android pen testing. Talk about the section summary. Then first of all we have learned about log file information, Then I have showed you that how you can analyze the log files of Android. And finally, we have found the secret information or sensitive information in the log files. So this is all about the section. In the next section, we will learn about Android pen testing reverse engineering process. Thank you so much.